Is this the best e-scooter for adults on Amazon? It just might be, but what truly makes an e-scooter great? First up on our checklist is speed. While not everyone needs to zoom like Brian from Fast and Furious, a decent speed is essential for adult riders. So how fast does this scooter actually go? Next, let's talk about hill climbing. Can this scooter tackle any serious inclines, or will it fail on even the slightest slope? Weight capacity is another crucial factor. How much weight can it handle? Is it sturdy enough for a full-grown adult? Charging time is important too. We want a scooter that won't keep us waiting all day. And of course, distance matters. How far can this scooter take you on a single charge? In this video, we will answer all these questions, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Don't mind my tool that I'm opening this. Never mind. Gotta improvise, you guys. But looks like it just has these big staples in it, which should pop out like that. This scooter is only priced at $1,200, you guys, but you can get an extra $100 off when you use my link down below. It also takes about 1 week to come, so just keep that in mind. There we go. Start by removing all this foam out of here. This thing looks pretty gold. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. They got double. Whoa. This must be the bag. Let's put this to the side. So they did end up packaging this scooter very well, which I do appreciate. We don't want nothing coming in damaged, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you're paying this type of money for something, you know, you don't want it to come in damaged and then have to go through the return process. That's just a headache. So I do appreciate the packaging. We'll use that for this plastic. Boom. A broken butter knife. Look at that. Perfect tool to use for this. Look at these forks on there. Oh my god. Those are like bike forks. Wow. What this looks like. There we go. So there's a little latch right here. Oh my god. Yo, this thing is beastie. Not gonna lie. Just take a look at that already. So I'm already loving this e-scooter, from the big dirt tires to the dual headlights in the front, these forks that are on here, and the floorboard. Oh my god, this is just a beastie e-scooter. Alright you guys, bear with me. I'm out here sweating bullets putting this scooter together for you guys. Man, listen, hit that like button. It helps the channel out and keeps the channel going. You know what I'm saying? If you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure y'all hit that like button. But without further ado, let's finish putting this bad boy together. You know what I'm saying? As I should say, this bad girl, cause she is sitting pretty over there, even with the wrapping on. Wow. Take a look at this floorboard, you guys. Look how high quality this thing is. Oh my god, like it doesn't get any better than that. And you guys see it right there. Has a place for a seat. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. All right, we are gonna remove the rest of this little bit of packaging that we have left. Y'all see me going in with my butter knife because this is all I have available. Listen, don't come for me in the comments. Use what's available. Not the best unboxing, but nothing's perfect. One thing I do not want to do is cut any of these wires by accident. Now we're gonna get these handlebars put on. We have to remove this cap that's at the top, and then we can put the handlebars on, as y'all can see right here. We're gonna tighten these up on the side. my neck and my stem are flush with each other. And then we're gonna put that cap right back on top, tighten that up. And we're gonna adjust the height, which I really like. You can put it to wherever you guys want. You don't have to copy me. I like it a little high. We're gonna get these levers tightened up because they come loose. So it doesn't hurt to go through everything and just make sure that everything is tightened before you actually take this thing out for a ride. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to line these up, get it to where I like it, where it feels comfortable. Tighten these up real fast. Don't over tighten these. They're very easy to strip, so be very careful when you're tightening these screws in. All right, so this is what the scooter looks like all put together. I can see those headlights, that neon glow on the floorboard is just unmatched. Look at that, y'all. It's just crazy. These right here are the blinkers in the back. Something that I do dislike about this scooter, but other than that, it's not too much that I dislike, but I'll show you how those work a little bit later in the video. But just look at that neon glow on that floorboard. Oh my God. These are the 2 charging ports right here where you charge it. I'm gonna take it for a quick little test ride up here and just show you guys like the acceleration of this scooter real fast. But oh my God, you guys. So I just want to throw this out there. I am 200+ pounds. So if you guys are in that weight range, don't worry. You are perfectly fine on this scooter. You know what I'm saying? I think it has like a max load of like 500 pounds or something like that. But the max load is always more than what they advertise. So also keep that in mind. But y'all can see, I just did a nice little wheelie right there, but this is a dope scooter, no lie. All right, so now that I showed you guys how to actually put this scooter together, and I showed you guys the first small initial test ride on this scooter, it's time to really put this scooter to the test. So I'm gonna take you guys for a POV ride tomorrow after we get some sleep, because as you guys can see, it's getting dark out. So we're all gonna get some sleep, and then I'll take you guys for a POV ride tomorrow. All right, y'all, let's take this thing on a speed test. Y'all ready? See what we get to. Damn. This motherfucker flying. All right, come on, right here, top speed. We not slowing down. Damn, this shit is for lying. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. This thing is fast. Oh, it's cold. Right now, I'm on the dual motors and in sport mode, so this is the fastest mode that I'm in right now, you guys. It's supposed to hit about 50. I don't know that off the top of my head. Woo! Turn. Oh my God! Whoa! I gotta slow down. Oh my God! Oh. So if you guys look, you guys can see that I have the scooter in kilometers per hour. We ended up getting to 80 kilometers per hour, which is equivalent to 49 miles per hour, actually a little over 49 miles per hour, which rounds off to be around 50 miles per hour. So we did end up getting to just about 50 miles per hour, you guys. I was going so fast that I had to slow down, like my eyes were literally watering. But we're gonna take this thing off-road, see how it does off-road, and see how it does up these hills.
Look at that. Crazy. We're gonna see if we can make it, if it makes it up that hill that's over there. Hopefully it does. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go down this hill right here. Whew. Let's go down this hill. Oh, gotta be careful. I don't got no helmet on, nothing. Oh my God.
So, quick disclaimer, this scooter does take about 8 hours to completely charge, and it'll bring you about 60 miles, but that varies depending on your weight, the weather, and the terrain that you're riding on. So just keep that in mind, you guys.
Let's see how it does right here. Oh my God, y'all. Whoa. Oh, it's going through this. I like this. This is for off-roading right here. Oh my God. Whoa. Up the hill we go. Is it gonna make? Oh my God. Yo. Look at that. Hold on. I gotta put y'all down to show y'all. No cap, bro. It's literally going through this. I think I could make it through this. No cap. Let me see. So this is the uphill and off-road test all at once, you guys. This shit is not making it, bro. Damn. This dirt is too deep to make it up this hill. It could make it up it if it wasn't so deep. But it's deep though, y'all. Look at this. It's not making it up this. See these little ruts that it's making? It's crazy. All right, we're gonna try that one. Cause that one's not like a dirt hill. It has gravel on it, so we'll try that one over there. Oh my God, bro. What the? Boy, come on now. It just burned out right into the ground. Y'all see it? Look at that. God damn. It goes so fast. Look it. Damn. Damn. No cap. We're gonna try to get up this little gravel hill right here. It has a little bit of dirt in the beginning, but we should be able to make it up on dual motors. So let's see. Let's go. Y'all hear the tires burning out. I don't have no helmet on. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. It just ate up that hill right there, y'all. God damn. Oh, right up the hill.
So a few things that I do dislike about this scooter is, one, the blinkers are in a spot where on most scooters you place your foot, and I placed my foot back there and ended up breaking the blinkers. Not actually breaking them, but damaging them. Another thing that I dislike about this scooter is it is heavy. This is not your cheap scooter that you can just carry around in your pocketbook. You know what I'm saying? If you're not in the gym and you're thinking about getting this scooter and you think you're gonna be carrying this thing around all day long, think again. This is a heavy scooter, so just keep that in mind. Another thing that I dislike about this scooter is the headlights. Not the actual headlights itself, the positioning of the headlights. I don't like that they're pointed upwards because cars can't see you. You know what I'm saying? And there's no way to actually point them back down unless you like bend them down. So that's another thing that I do dislike. But I do like the cockpit. The cockpit is dope. It got a big LCD screen on there.
I do like the controls. The controls are simple. They're all right there. I like the thumb throttle. Another thing that I do like about this scooter is it's a beast. This thing is a beast when you get on it and ride it. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, quite scary. I rode some pretty fast things in my lifetime, and this thing is scary. You need a helmet on with this. I was not riding with a helmet. I do not recommend you to do that, but you do need a helmet on with this scooter right here. So keep that in mind. Do not get on this scooter if you're not riding without no helmet, because you know what I'm saying, especially if you're riding on the street. But this is a good scooter. I also like the brakes. The brakes on here are awesome. Those are the things I like, and those are the things I dislike. And this is the GT8 Pro, you guys. Link is down in the description. You could get $100 off. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. And listen, man, I'll see you guys in the next video.